Using academic games in the classroom can be a great way to engage students in learning. The four specific strategies mentioned by Marzano are a Jeopardy inspired game called What is the Question?, Classroom Feud, competitive games, and vocabulary review games. Many of these games can also easily incorporate technology, which can be further motivating to students. The game presented in the textbook called What is the Question? Is basically a game of Jeopardy! Students are provided with categories and upon choosing an answer must come up with a corresponding question. A musical example of this might be, this note receives 2 beats, to which the question would be, what is a half note? The teacher can create a digital version of this game using an online Jeopardy template like factile.com or using a presentation tool like Prezi. In the game Classroom Feud, the teacher provides a list of questions and divides the class into 2 teams. Students take turns answering questions, but are allowed to confer with their team on the answers. If a team gets a question correct, they are allowed to keep answering questions until they miss one. This game could easily incorporate polling technology such as clickers, active votes, or a polling app that students could use right on their own smartphones. Friendly competitive games are also a great way to encourage student engagement in the classroom. Games can be played on the interactive whiteboard or it can be played on students' devices. Games such as Kahoot can be played in teams or individually and encourage friendly competition. Students are given points for correct answers, but are also given extra points if they click the answer faster than their competitors. Apps like Socrative that have competitive features like Space Race also help with student engagement, since students compete to see who can earn the highest number of points on quizzes or review activities. Lastly, vocabulary review games are a great way to increase student engagement. Reviewing vocabulary can easily become tedious, but thanks to technology, it doesn't have to. A great vocabulary review game is the game Magic Letter, Magic Word, in which students complete a fill-in-the-blank clue using the first letter of the word as a hint. This could easily be made into a digital game using Kahoot or the interactive whiteboard. I would encourage all teachers to try out at least one of these strategies in order to increase student engagement in the classroom.